guys, I am Jessica Velasco, and today I will be discussing about perceptual theory. First, let us define what is perception. Perception refers to the process of taking in, organizing, and interpreting sensory information. Perception is extremely important in motor control because it carries the relevant information about objects, environments, and bodies, which is used in organizing and executing actions and movement. Perceptual theory is a theory of human behavior that is, we act to keep our perception, the way we think about, of the world within acceptable boundaries.
So for example, when you are planning to go outside to buy food or any essentials, but since the rain suddenly pours, so of course, automatically, we will use raincoat, boots, and umbrella for us to still go out and to avoid acquiring flu or any sickness due to the rain.
Okay, moving on to the principles of perceptual control theory, first we have control. Control of sensory input via negative feedback is a primary feature of nervous system.
So for example, if the perception of a child about subject mathematics is negative, despite of how carefully discussed by the teacher, since the mindset, the perception of the child about the subject is difficult, the child itself will have hard time to understand.
Second, we have hierarchies. Flexible control is achieved through a hierarchy of control system whereby outputs of a higher levels set the references for lower levels.
For example, when the advanced mathematics is discussed and explained by the teacher in a basic and simpler way to be easily understood by the students, there is a better and smooth learning process.
Moving on to the third principle of perceptual control theory, which is the conflict. When two or more systems have different reference values of the some variables, this conflict causes loss of control. For example, when you have too much perceptions about certain things, there are possibilities that you will have difficulties in making decisions and action, resulting for you to lose control. The fourth principle of perceptual control theory is reorganization. Control is re-established via trial and error, changes in the properties of control system that are localized to certain regions. Those are in awareness of any one time.
For example, a person's perception of trying things, and when it fails, it had the courage to try again until desired action achieves.
And that would be all about perceptual theory. I hope you learned something. Bye!